Hi, this is Coach Mary. Today we're going to talk about the 88, a brief summary on my book, the 88 Hilarious Neckties and Lipstick Employees. Okay, now we're gonna talk about people, money, and system. Okay, now what is it all about? Okay, I'm gonna vlog today on how do you nail that particular position in a job, or how do you get the right people on your business. Okay? So, pag-uusap tayo tungkol sa climbing on a corporate ladder, paano ba magkaroon ng magandang posisyon sa isang company, paano mag-hire ng maayos sa tao sa business mo. They say that there are 3 important factors in a business or in your career. That's people, money, and system. Okay, so importante yan, guys, ano? I will tackle one of the, probably few of the points na tackle sa book ko, upcoming book, which is the 88 Hilarious Neckties and Lipstick Employees. Okay, how do you get the right people? And how can you be that right person in a company? Okay, so we're gonna talk about the 12 kinds of employees, the 12 kinds of employers that you need to have on your business, and of course, in your job, and the red flags. Ano ba yung red flags sa isang tao para i-let go mo siya sa company mo? Ano ba yung mga tendencies? At saka, paano mo ba ma-enjoy yung iyong job? Okay, now, everybody seems to be securing their jobs now. At syempre, malapit na ang Christmas bonus, diba? At syempre naman, malapit na rin ang Pasko. So, of course, kailangan secure ang ating negosyo, secure ang ating trabaho, okay? So, paano naman tayo makakaano ng mga Christmas parties and celebration na ngayon nag-a-approach na tayo sa real face-to-face scenario, okay? So, this is Coach Mary for DWBL.